Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nada Aulia. My student number is 220107107. So now I want to explain to you about understanding of normality and homogeneity test. But before we go to the material, I want to ask to you. Imagine you want to compare the exam score of students in two classes. Can you just calculate the average and compare? Not quite. You need to make sure your data behaves well, and that's where this test come in. The first is normality. A normality test is a statistical procedure used to determine whether a data set follows a normal distribution. This is important because many parametric tests such as the independent t-test, dependent t-test, and Pearson correlations assume that the data are normally distributed. That means normality test takes if your data looks like a bell curve, and this is important for t-test and correlation. The second is homogeneity. A homogeneity test, also called test for homogeneity of variances, checks whether two or more groups have similar variances. Because this is crucial for ensuring that the independent t-test yields valid result, as unequal variances can lead to incorrect conclusions. Why this test matter? Because ensure your data meets the assumptions, prevent incorrect conclusion in t-test and correlations, foundation for valid statistical analysis. Okay, next, when this test be used, independent t-test is used to compare two different groups. The example, group A vs group B. Before we using this test, we need to check that the data from both groups are normally distributed and have equal variances. This is called testing for homogeneity. And the second is dependent t-test is used to compare data before and after a treatment or condition within the same group. This test also requires the data to be normal distributed. The last is Pearson correlations is used to measure the relationship between two variables. For this test, the data should also be normally distributed. How to interpret the p-value from this test in simple terms? If p-value more than 0.05, the assumption is met. For normality, the data is normally distributed. For homogeneity, the groups have equal variances. But if p-value less than 0.05, the assumption is not met. For normality, the data does not follow a normal distribution, and for homogeneity, the groups have unequal variances. The example of a research title is a comparative study on the writing achievement of ESL students in online versus traditional classrooms. This research used an independent t-test because the study compares two different groups of students, which is online versus traditional. The independent t-test is used because I want to know if there is a significant difference between the means of two independent groups. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I do apologize for my mistakes, and I say thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.